And there's a lot going on this weekend with an approaching front, really active right now in the central U.S. We'll get to all that. But in the meantime, it has been a beautiful evening. It was great yesterday, great today. It's going to be great tomorrow. Sunday, a little bit iffy. We'll go over that here in just a second. Nothing on radar, as you can see. Current temperature down to 68. Winds out of the south-southwest, though, 22 miles per hour and gusting even occasionally a little bit above that. Pressure is on the rise, 30.06. Talking about wind gusts, the peak wind gusts. These aren't current. They're down a little bit from this, but as you can see, the peak wind gusts today generally around 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow be a little bit lower. I think we'll have wind gusts about to 25 tomorrow. Then they go right back up to 30 or 35 or more again for Sunday. Tonight, 61 for the low. Inland areas and rural spots mainly upper 50s under mainly clear skies as well. Pollen report for today looks identical to yesterday's. Low pollen for grass as well as mold in the air, but moderate for weeds and very high levels for tree pollen. Big area of high pressure has moved off. Winds around it coming in clockwise out of the south. That gives us those temperatures overnight that drop back to about 60, as we mentioned. There's the next system. We're going to look at that more closely in just a second in terms of its current sort of path. But as we look to tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, up over 80 degrees. Very mild again tomorrow night. That system then gets going again during the afternoon on Sunday. We see a few isolated showers around here, maybe a stray storm, but our better chance of rain comes very, very late Sunday night and into Monday morning. The system, if it were coming any other time of day, would have an excellent shot at bringing us severe weather. We still have a chance at that, but the middle of the night is not a favorable time for severe weather, so let's keep our fingers crossed. And in fact, you can see the more favorable time of arrival is when it's back out to the west. So we are not in the severe outlook with this next system, but it's not out of the question as it comes through. Talking about these temperatures this weekend, remember last weekend, high Sunday, was 49. Almost 30 degrees different by this Sunday. So a major difference if you never got outside last weekend or didn't want to enjoy the conditions. Something finally you'll be able to do this Sunday. You can see that system, as I mentioned, a lot of severe weather out in front of it. We had severe weather in eastern Nebraska. Now central Nebraska a couple of hours later. Blizzard warnings are out for there. An incredibly tight gradient from that storm east to west. Tonight 61, mainly clear. Quite breezy, and then tomorrow, same thing, quite breezy to a little bit windy at times. 82, 78 on Sunday, 30% chance of a few isolated showers or storms. Most of the day, we are not going to have rain, but then Sunday night we will. Maybe a couple of heavier storms into very early Monday, cools off Monday, Tuesday, warms back up Wednesday, Thursday. Enjoy the weekend.
All right, thanks, Jeff.